For an RPA solution architect, the selection of the core RPA platform is the foundational and most critical architectural decision for any successful solution implementation. The platform must be scalable, secure, and aligned with the enterprise's strategic goal. First, we will understand and learn the core RPA platforms for a solution implementation. Becoming master of one or more of the leading enterprise RPA platforms is essential, such as UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Microsoft Power Automate, and Blue Prism. These RPA platforms will form the foundation of most solutions of a solution design. Alright, first we will understand what is UiPath. UiPath is widely adapted with a comprehensive and open platform which includes Studio or Studio X, Orchestrator, Process Mining or Task Mining, Document Understanding, and AI Center. Let me explain you one by one about these components. First one is Studio. Studio or Studio X is a design environment for pro and citizen developers. Orchestrator, which is a centralized web-based control panel for deployment, scheduling, and monitoring. Process mining or task mining are the tools to identify and validate automation opportunities. Document understanding and AI Center are used for native, integrated AI or ML for cognitive automation. UiPath has strong features for AI-powered automation and a large community. Next one, Automation Anywhere or Automation 360, which is a popular cloud-native platform focusing on intelligent automation, often integrating IQ bot and their centralized management controls. Automation Anywhere provides software that uses bots to automate repetitive, rule-based digital tasks traditionally performed by the humans. This is a key part of agentic process automation, that is APA. The main components of an Automation Anywhere includes control room, bot creator, and bot runner. Control room is a centralized web-based hub for managing, monitoring, and deploying bots, whereas bot creator is a development environment for designing and building automation workflows, whereas bot runner is the component that executes the bots on various systems. Next one, Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flows, which is a cloud-based service used to create and automate workflows and business processes across a wide range of applications and services. It is a key component of the Microsoft Power Platform, which also includes Power Apps for building custom applications, Power BI for business analytics, and Power Virtual Agents for chatbots. Microsoft Power Automate offers seamless integration and low-code capabilities. Microsoft Power Automate has key functionalities such as cloud flows, desktop flows, process mining, AI, and Copilot. Cloud flows is the automated workflows that connect cloud applications like Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Dynamic 365, and over 1000 other non-Microsoft services using an extensive library of connectors. These often run on a trigger action model. Desktop flows, that is robotic process automation RPA, allows users to automate tasks in legacy applications, desktop software, and websites that doesn't have an API. This functionality is enabled through Power Automate for desktop. Next one, process mining. Process mining tools like Process Advisor helps organizations to discover, analyze, and map out their existing process to identify the best opportunities for an automation. AI and Copilot integrates AI Builder for intelligent features like document processing and utilizes Copilot to help users build and modify flows using natural language descriptions. Next RPA platform, that is Blue Prism. Blue Prism, also known as SS and C Blue Prism, after its acquisition by the SS and C Technologies in 2022, which is a pioneering software company in the field of robotic process automation. Blue Prism provides an enterprise-grade platform for creating a digital workforce software robots, that is bots, designed to automate complex, repetitive and rule-based administrative tasks, particularly in the back office and mission critical processes. The main component of Blue Prism includes Process Studio, Object Studio and Control Room. Process Studio, where users design the high-level business workflow using a visual drag and drop flowchart model. Object Studio, where reusable components such as Visual Business Objects (VBOs) are created to model the interaction with the external applications like clicking buttons, entering data. Control Room is the central management interface for monitoring, scheduling, and controlling the digital workforce.